Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. So in today's video, I am going to use my Morphe 39A palette. This is a giant palette. I've used it, oh my god, sorry. I have used it a couple of times off camera and then also on camera. But today I really want to play with the green shades that we have right here. So before we get into the video, I really would love it if you would subscribe. I am a cruelty-free YouTuber and I would really love the support. And look, I did my nails yesterday. You have probably already seen these nails because I'm pre-recording and my videos just go up like bloop, 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 bloop. I never know. But I did these yesterday, and for everyone that's asking, yes, I do my nails by myself. Yeah, I'm not really good at it, but I can just do like a layer of paint. You know, I'm not good at drawing cute stuff, and so I just do kind of the same. But I like these. They're like summer nails. I think I'm just gonna hop into, let's see, this shade right here. And I've already primed with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Anyway, for everyone that's been asking, I do like this palette. It does contain, you know, a lot of neutrals as well. Sorry, I just had to run away for a bit. It sounded like my dog was barfing, so I was kind of looking to see if he was alright, but he wasn't. I don't know what he was doing. By the way, Sigge, he has an Instagram right now, which is called Sigge the Fox. So it's linked in my description box in case you want to check it out. It's actually run by both me and my boyfriend. I have seen that some of you guys are commenting on there, which is really nice, but I'm just not as active there. I kind of just upload pictures on him and then I go to my normal Instagram account again. So yeah, if you don't get a response on your comment, then at least you know why. What I was saying before is that this palette does contain a lot of neutral shades or browns, whatever you want to call it. This section right here is the blue. Here we have the green. Here we have like the purples, and then we have some neutrals. So I actually think it's a good mix of the shades, and that's why I bought it, because I feel like there are sections. I'm gonna hop into this green right now. I kind of just ignore this little sheet with names because I feel like it's just unnecessary. So I'm just dipping in, tapping off the excess, and then I'm just gonna stamp it right here in my outer corner. Oh, by the way, I have talked about serial killers and stuff like that on my channel before and told you guys that I'm really interested in that. And I've talked about Rob Dyke. I love Rob Dyke. I like his channel a lot, but now I kind of feel like I don't have anything to get there because he doesn't do a lot of serial killer videos anymore. The videos that I have found is kind of from before. I promise you I will blend this out. I'm just gonna put down the colors first. I found this other channel. I found a girl named, I have to check, I have my computer here. Her name is Eleanor Neal. I'm sorry, I have no idea how to pronounce that. She's from the UK anyway. I found her channel because she did a big haul, so I think it was like a beauty bay haul or something. So I watched her haul and I was like, yeah, okay, it was fine, it was fun. And then she popped up in my recommendations and I was like, okay, what is this? And then I saw she did these like true crimes stories. So she does talk about, for instance, abductions. She talks about killers, specific cases that when people got murdered, abducted, serial killers. I don't know if she has covered serial killers actually, but you know, a lot of these stuff. And I was just like, wow, so this girl does beauty and murder cases. And I'm so happy I found her channel because now I'm kind of obsessed. I just watched the bathtub murderer, Andrea Yates. That is so interesting. It's such a horrible case. It's a mother that drowns all of her 5 kids. She suffers from mental illness, so that's why she does it. I'm not giving excuses or anything. I'm just kind of letting you guys know why she did it. But The difference between her and Rob Dyke is that Rob Dyke does these videos that is just like, he kind of just touches the surface, you know, he only gives you the stuff that you really need to know or that you really want to know, versus this Eleanor girl. She gives you the full tea. She does these videos that are an hour long, 30 minutes long, 40 minutes long, like they are long videos, and she covers a lot, and it's not boring to watch. Yesterday I watched the case of Bates, a girl named Bates, Rebecca Bates, I think it was. Okay, Becky Watts case. I know that so many of you have kind of sent me people that does these types of videos, and I've gotten so many requests or so many channels to look into, and I am getting to it. This video is 1 hour and 3 minutes long. So I watched that yesterday while I was, what was I doing? I was doing my nails. Now I'm gonna hop into this lighter green shade. I was watching that and it was just fun. Not fun, but it never became dull or anything. I really recommend her channel because she does a lot of research. She never stumbles across her words. She is very to the point. You know, she gives some input to what she thinks and what she's feeling, but it's not, you know, overly, it's not too much. I really like her channel. I kind of just got obsessed with it. I'm not really sure what I want to do. I have a mix right here. I think I'm gonna do a mix of green and pink, but we shall see. Anyway, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 0.5, and I'm gonna use the Sigma F75 brush. I said on, when was this? I said on, in one of my videos, I don't remember which one, that I was searching for the famous MAC brush. It's like a MAC 222 brush or 242 brush or whatever. I'm honestly, I don't even know. But MAC is not cruelty free, so I don't want to support that brand. So I was searching for like the MAC M242 brush or whatever dupe. And the only brush I could find was this Sigma brush. So I just said F it and then order it online. I have tried it and yeah, it's pretty good. Don't know if it's revolutionary, but it's pretty good. I have only tried it once before. So I'm just gonna do the cut part. And by the way, you don't have to cut, you can just go in with the shades that you want instantly, but I kind of like this because it's a little bit more cleaned up and a little bit more like dramatic effect in my opinion, so I love doing it. So now when I have carved this out, I do just want to stamp this with my finger and kind of just, what I'm doing is that I'm just pressing my finger and then I'm getting some concealer and then I kind of just drag it off my hand. You can drag it off your pants, your paper, you know, whatever. But the thing why I do this is because I have hooded eyes, and if I don't, it will just start creasing on me, and that is not a pretty look. I'm going to take this green shade first, and this is like a green that contains some gold shimmer specks in it. It's really pretty, and we're gonna take this as close as we can to the green. Now I got some fallout, not too far in. What I will say about these shimmers is that they are kind of harshly pressed into the pan. They're very packed. It feels like there isn't a lot of air in, you know, sometimes when you stick your brush in a foiled shadow, you kind of get up a lot of product. This is not the case. You kind of have to make an effort to get product up on the brush. So I'm actually gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream palette. I'm just obsessed with this at the moment. And I'm gonna take the shade Real Gar and maybe go on top of it a little bit with Unicorn. I haven't decided yet. So I'm taking a little bit of Unicorn anyway, and I'm just going over this. I kind of want it to be a little bit more pink, a lot more pink. Now I'm just gonna dip back into this green. This is a Sigma E25 brush. I bought this at the same time I bought the F75 brush. I think it was F75, I think so. The one that we carved out with, we cut the crease with. I'm just gonna go over this to kind of make this as my crease color. Do we want to go in with a black? I think we do. So I'm gonna take the black in this. I'm just gonna take it on a smudger brush. This is actually from Morphe. I've never tried this black. Let me swatch it. Yeah, it seems nice. So I'm just gonna take this under my eyes. Maybe just down to there. Now I'm gonna take this green shade and then I'm just going to blend this out. Or smoke it out. So I'm gonna go back into this palette. I do want to go over it with Regal shade again. So I'm just going to dip or take up some product, tap it off a little bit, and then just spray some setting spray on the brush. Let's see, and then just kind of go over this. Yeah, I think that looks way better. I'm also gonna take a little bit right here in my inner corner because it's so pretty. So I slapped on some of my favorite lashes. This is the Scandal Lashes Daring Darla. And then I actually did a mix. I haven't used a lip pencil in a very long time. Hence why my lips are a little bit overdrawn, drawn. This is from a brand called Code Beautiful. I've had this for a very long time. This is actually a dupe for the famous lip pencil from MAC in the shade Soar. I actually have that one as well. So this is a MAC shade and then this is the Code Beautiful shade, and they are basically the same color. The MAC one is just a bit darker. And then I'm also wearing a new gloss. This is the NYX Lingerie gloss in the shade Honeymoon. I said in one of my Will I Buy It videos that I really wanted to try one, and I actually wanted to try the shade Shy, but it's not available in Sweden. Like, I looked everywhere and it's just not available here, so I don't know what's up with that, if we're gonna get it later or something, I don't know. But this was anyway the finished look with the Morphe, the giant Morphe 39A palette. I am not gonna do a review on this because there are so many out there, but I actually like this palette quite a lot. As I said, like, these greens are so beautiful in my opinion. I also love the blues. I think that there should be some more matte blues in this, but it's all right. I would definitely take this palette with me traveling. I don't care if I travel big or something. I would never put this in my purse, but if I'm gonna travel, I could as well bring this. I actually don't mind, and then I would probably also take a rainbow palette with me. But yeah, that was my little makeup tutorial for today. So I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and this look. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!